Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, She Plans, She Budgets. In today's video, we'll be going over my variable income, so let's get started. Alright, so this is my Erin Condren Life Planner in the vertical layout. And it is hole punch to fit the Happy Planner disc right here. And like I mentioned earlier, it is in the vertical layout. And I like to do plan with me's in here that look like this. However, I do have this set up to have additional note pages so that I can include my budget book. And I'm just flipping over to the page that I have designated for my variable income. All right, so let me just zoom in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna be using this variable income budget kit from Erica Live Vlogs that looks like this, along with her March small washi. And I am just gonna go ahead and lay this out. And I'm gonna just add this last piece of washi at the bottom to close it up. Okay. Now for the income source. All right. So this variable income will be about my tax refund, and I will have two income sources. One will be my federal refund, and then second will be the state refund. So far I received my federal refund on 3/6 in the amount of $2,683. No rollover. And then my state refund has not come yet, but when it does, it will be for $1,027. And there's no rollover. So let me total that up. All right, so that will be $2,683 plus $1,027 for a grand total of $3,710 is what I'm expecting as a refund this year. All right, for bills and expenses, sorry for the hesitation. I actually think, yeah, I don't have bills and expenses. So let me pull that up. Not for this one, I don't. But I do have savings and cash. All right, and my savings and cash is my emergency fund, and for this I'm going to set aside $177.37, and that is because one of my cats had an eye infection a couple of weeks ago, and I used my emergency fund to pay for my vet bill. So I'm putting that back with this tax refund money. And then next, I wanted to jumpstart a vet / grooming sinking fund. And for this fund, I want to put $180 in there. I currently have $20, so this $180 will make the sinking fund have $200 until I not increase it, until I add more to it in April. So I just wanted to jump start it a little bit with $180, but it currently has $20. And then lastly, I took out some money for this national pandemic called the coronavirus. And I withdrew $1,000 to have some money in cash for any type of emergency where there could be a freeze on the banks or something of that nature where I just need cash on hand. I did keep majority of my money in the bank because I still have to pay, you know, bills online and stuff like that. I don't pay any bills in cash or in the form of a check. Everything is done online with my debit card or bank account. So I did withdraw this money in cash, and that's just while we're going through this national pandemic. But once it's over, I will return this $1,000 back to my bank account so that I can make a debt snowball payment with it, because that is my overall goal with this variable income, which is my tax refund, is to pay off my Perkins loan with UAS. So I finally made a decision about that, and I've decided to pay off my Perkins loan. So let me total this up. 177.37 plus 180 plus 1,000 equals $1,357.37, which means my paycheck breakdown income $37.10, cash and savings $1,357.37. So that means my total remaining is $37.10 minus $1,357.37 equals $2,352.63. Let me zoom out. Sorry about that. All right, so with this remaining money, $2,352.63, I am going to just keep that on my account for now until this crisis is over and things are back to normal. And again, once this crisis is over and everything is back to normal, I am going to put this $1,000 in cash back into my bank account, which will make my true remaining $3,352.63, and that will be used to pay off my Perkins loan that is currently with UAS right here. So that loan will be gone, as long as I won't have to use this money for emergencies. All right. And then one other thing too, I just want to point out this $1,000, as you can see, is coming from this variable income. So it is not coming from my emergency fund, the Dave Ramsey's emergency fund. That is still in my checking account. I decided not to pull that money out because that would close my checkings account, because that's currently all I have in there is $1,000. And I would like to keep that in there just for right now, because you know I had this money to pull, well, at least this portion of it right here. So I pulled that $1,000 in cash just to have some money on hand, and then once everything calms down and goes back to normal, I will make a debt snowball payment to pay off that loan I just showed you with UAS, and then I'll be one more loan down and that much closer to being debt free. All right, that is pretty much everything I wanted to go over for this variable income. So thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.